It provides so many books that I can read.
Because I like to read and there's a lot of books that I like. You can read books and check them out. We get to check out books and read books.
Because you can read a lot of books.
It has a lot of books that I can check out, and there's books that I can read, and there's stuff that I can read that are nice for me. We can check out books and we can read them. There's so much books to read. There's a lot of books that I can read because there's so much books.
Because I love to read. I get to sit down and read my books.
When we get to check out books. My favorite part is when you get to pick out books, and then when you pick it out, you get to read them. We get to sit down and listen to Miss Lodge read a book.
I'm checking out comic books so I can read.
Checking out books.
Checking out books.
I like a lot of the books in the library. That we get to read books. That we get to read books. Miss Lyons reading books to us.
The books, the Goosebumps books.
The Diary of the Rooms. The Cat in the Hat.
Good dogs.
Llama Llama Holiday Drum. Or the Wild Blue Horse, the Bird book. By Dr. Seuss. Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes.
Doctor Strange, the Mystery of the Dark Magic.
The Green Eggs and Ham. Pete the Cat and his white shoes.
Any Goosebumps books.
Read more books. Funny guys.